Well, I don't know what the temperature is. It's cold enough to have a bit of frost though. I haven't started this focus for about it's about a week. I usually start it every weekend, but we've got a nice frost. We might have a flat battery because it's been such a while, but it is a new battery, so we should be all right. Just see if what happens. Press the old start button. Nearly flat. What happens? Press the old start button. It's got to be in the zeros, I would have thought. Well, in the zeros, I mean it's got to be at least 0. Might be minus. Is that actual? Yeah. Oh, it is. It's a little bit loose. It's not proper frozen, but bearing in mind that the time is, that's the time. So it's not far off midday now. And this morning when I woke up at about 6:30, it was really bad. There was all frost and ice all down there and all around here and all that kind of stuff, but managed to leave it here, so at least we've still got someone here. Had a nice cold start at least. Plugged the old whatchamacallit in, got the sun shining through the frost. I've plugged the old thing in now. We should be able to see it's warmed. It's obviously going to have warmed up a little bit now because I've moved it out and everything. Coolant temperatures 46 degrees centigrade. Intake temperatures 0. I didn't think I had it on that one. On that miles per hour. RPM is 1200. Don't want a G meter. Spark Advance, if you're interested in the Spark Advance. Don't know what happened to my other one, I must have changed it. But anyway, we've got coolant temperatures going up now, 52. Look at all the ice starting to melt as the sun's going on it. I haven't got the window on or nothing. That's the sun that is melting the ice since I've moved it out up the drive. It's pretty incredible, really. That's melting quick. Look at it all. I'll stay still so you can see it. The old blower on, try and defrost the old window. Got a bit of dust on my lens, that's going to bug me. I'll have a look. I'm going to let it warm right up, try and charge that battery up. can smell is unburnt petrol. Well, just developed a misfire. So, I think I know what it's going to be. Definitely see the misfire and hear it. I thought it was going to be that plug, but maybe it's not. Make sure all them are on properly. Well, I'm going to have to do a bit of proper troubleshooting at some point. I'm not really equipped for it right now, although the misfire seems to have gone now. I need to get this insured so that I can take it out for a test drive, really. Give it a blowout. Still misfiring. I might take the plugs out. But it must be a sensor or something that I've knocked, really. Got a bit of engine oil down there on that gearbox. Or it might be gearbox oil of some kind down there.